In this tutorial, I make a mold design. Select plane, sketch, smart dimension, OK. Go to feature, extrude boss, 150 mm, draft analysis for taper, 6 degrees, 7 degree according to our need. Click on OK. Go to shell command, click this surface, thickness 2 mm, OK. Now our hollow part is ready. Now I make mold tools, core and cavity for this part. Go to mold tool, click on parting line, click this face, draft analysis, OK. Go to parting surface, select dimension according to our need. I select 70 mm. OK. Go to tool splitting, click on this face, center rectangle, OK. Exit. Select dimension manually here. Click on OK. Our core and cavity are ready. Hide this part. Go to direct editing, move and copy. Select this face. OK. Move copy. Select this face. OK. Go to appearance. Plastic. Our core and cavity are ready. If you make multiple core, click again, move and copy. Select this and this. Click on copy option. OK. Now our multiple mold and are ready. Select on combine, click OK. OK. Move and copy. Select this face, this part. Okay. Now go to combine again. Click this all, combine. Okay. Our multiple core and cavity are ready. Click on this face, center rectangle, select corner rectangle. Okay. Go to feature, extrude boss. 20 mm, 50 mm. Okay. Give dimension. Okay. Exit. Now click on this part, sketch, select this, convert entity, select this rectangle outer side. Click all outer edge. Okay. Go to feature, extrude boss, 50 mm. Okay. Smart dimension, circle. Seventy-five mm. Okay. Change the direction. Or simply core and cavity are ready for this part. This is a multiple core and cavity.